Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an ever 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brand makeup. Today, it's my Boxycharm for April. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you have not yet, and thumbs up the video if you like what you see. There's also a join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member. Thank you to my channel members. If you are unfamiliar with the base box Boxycharm, this is a monthly subscription box where you'll receive 5 full-size makeup beauty products for $27.99, and you do get to pick one product. I only have on my base today and a brow just in case we can actually test some makeup out. I will say my box feels incredibly heavy, and typically I don't get any spoilers, but I couldn't help myself and I watched Tony's unboxing, so I cheated just a little bit this month, y'all. All right, we're gonna dive in. This month it says Boxycharm Boxy Spring Revival. I'm gonna hide the back of it because that is what tells us what is in the box. And then there is my box version if you are curious. Also, what do you think about my new background? I mean, nothing's new about it. I just moved stuff. I can never be satisfied with how my room looks ever. Anybody else? Please tell me I'm not the only one. All right, first thing I see right on top is a Saint Luxe Brow Gel. I actually have one over here that I have been using and I really like it. I'm not going to open this one yet because we don't want to waste product, so I will show you what this one looks like. I do like that it is a super teeny tiny little brush. That is my favorite for a brow brush. It has some slight kind of tack or grip to it, which I really appreciate, but it's not overly sticky, gunky. It doesn't like pull up the foundation or anything like that, so really love that. I'm excited to have that. Next is Aether Beauty, the Big Bang Mascara. I was actually hoping to get the Item Beauty one that I saw Tony get. We'll test that out in just a moment. It says, made with 100% recycled ocean plastic and a biodegradable wand. They are cruelty-free and vegan. So far, makeup product and makeup product. I'm liking where this is going, Boxy. Next is a Beauty Bakery Sour Ya Doin' eyeshadow palette. This is what it's gonna look like neutrals and pops of yellows. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna love it. And I don't think I've tried anything from Beauty Bakery yet. Yes, oh my, this is a Riri palette for sure. It has pink with yellow with lemons, my 2 favorite colors, and it is a beautiful warm toned palette. That is absolutely stunning. Oh, I'm excited. Ooh, I'm loving this freaking box, you guys. Next is a Christophe Robin Paris, the Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist with rose water, uplifted roots, and fuller length. Of course, it is a full size. I'm not going to keep this. I mean, I ain't got a whole lot of hair, and I have very thick hair, so we're going to put this in our pay it forward pile for you guys. Ooh, and then last is a Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidant. If you've been here with me at all, you know I love pineapple, and I love sprays. Any kind of sprays, setting sprays, refreshing sprays, whatever it is. I have about 30 sprays. I love them, especially in the spring and summertime. I like to keep them in my refrigerator, and when I'm going outside or running errands, when I do actually run errands, just to spray this on even a naked face without even any makeup on. So I'm also going to test this out, y'all. This is an amazing box. 5 out of 5. Even if I'm not going to use this, this is probably $30 or $40 itself, so definitely worth the cost of the box. So we got a hair item. We got I call spray mists and things like that a makeup tool, but considered skincare, I guess. We also got our Sour Ya Doin'. We also got a mascara and a freaking brow gel. Y'all, this is an amazing box. If we are box twins and you're a makeup heavy box lover, comment down below, let me know, and let me know what you thought. I'm going to go ahead and put this over here. I'm going to go ahead and put the brow gel away. I'm not going to open that. So let's talk some deets, and then we'll do a super quick look. So first up, we have our Beauty Bakery Sour Ya Doin' eyeshadow palette. These shades will make sure your eyes squint and then light up in surprise. Rich and bold, yet soft for those who want to be subtle. Sour Ya Doin' is perfect for spring looks, date night, or maybe even a holiday mixer, and this is $38. Next up is our Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist. This mist is formulated with pineapple enzymes, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants to give dull, tired skin a healthy glow. This lightweight, fast absorbing formula deeply penetrates and hydrates the skin. Mist onto clean skin after cleansing and before your serums, and this is $38. Next up was our Christophe Robin Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. This mist makes thin, fine, flat hair feel thicker and full of body, while delivering an easy to style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula with baobab leaf extract and oligo elements from seawater. This mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides a lift at the root for long-lasting volume, and it is $39. So literally just with one product that we've already spoken about, it covers the entirety of the box. Next up is our Aether Beauty The Big Bang Mascara, the ultimate lash maximizing black diamond infused mascara that truly does it all for out of this world length, volume, curl, and definition, and it is $28. And then last but not least is our Saint Luxe Beauty Brow Gel. Bow down to your brows. This brow gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape. The short brow brush will give you precise placement of your brows, and the lightweight gel has no residue when dry. Completely agree. And that is $22. So of course I'll add everything up and put a total right here. My skin's already prepped, and even though I do already have makeup on, I do just want to test this. I want to see how does it smell, how is the mister, things like that. I will say it feels incredibly heavy already. The new step 2 of your routine. Use directly after cleansing. Mist onto clean, dry skin, both AM and PM, before serums, moisturizers, and your SPF. Oh, I love that component. I mean, yellow is my favorite color, so were we surprised at all? Did it say to shake it? I don't think it did. I don't think it did. Hopefully this doesn't take off my makeup. Component, 10 out of 10. Absolutely love. And it has a very fine mist. I don't actually smell anything. I thought it would smell a little bit more citrusy, a little bit more pineapple-y. But that mist is beautiful. Oh, and it definitely added some radiance to my skin. I'm super excited to try this out. I, of course, will keep you guys updated, but so far, holy crap, that looks amazing. Next up, I'll do a quick little look with the Beauty Bakery palette. And with these types of looks, kind of when I'm doing a demo, I'm not really trying to perfect a look per se. I want to see, does everything blend out well? Am I reaching the level of opacity on the lid that I'm seeing in the pan? Do they blend together? Do they become muddy or patchy? So we're not aiming for like this bomb look. We're just testing the actual formula. So I think I'm first going to go into Sour. Quite a bit of fallout. That doesn't typically bother me, but that doesn't typically bother me, just noting it for you guys. I know a lot of people don't like fallout, but I mean, it doesn't bother me. As long as they perform, I honestly don't care. And I'm going to sweep this in the crease. You're not actually going to see this shade. We'll just use this as kind of our blender shade. They do feel incredibly soft. Let me go ahead and swatch a couple for you guys. Okay, the Sangria shade in the center kind of feels a little bit more chunky monkey. This one right here. And even kind of picking it up on my finger, you can still kind of see it. So I will swatch these few. Yeah, that Sangria one's a little chunky, and they're honestly not swatching the best. That is not always indicative of how they're actually going to perform, of course. Next up, I think I want to go into the shade Sweet right here. I really like the shade names as well. There's Pink Lemonade, Sangria, Sweet, Refresher, Bellini Me, Tart, Chalk Tales, Sour, and Icy. So pretty cool. All right, the shade Sweet doesn't have as much fallout. Oh, very pretty. This is definitely a Riri color. This is stunning. Ooh. Of course, you go in with a finer brush than this and really build up the level of intensity, I'm sure. And you can see I'm holding my brush about midways. If I were to hold it up close and go in, I'll get a little bit more intensity. If I hold it all the way at the very end of my brush, I get a very soft, diffused level of pigmentation. All right, I'm going to go into a firmer brush and go into Pink Lemonade right here. Very, very pretty. Quite pigmented too. And then I'm going to go ahead and sweep that right around to the lower lash line. Alright, so far so good. It's not blowing my socks off, but it performs well. I think I'm going to go in with Icy, which is the gold shade, and there's more of like a bronzy shade. Icy definitely picks up a little bit better and swatches a little bit better. I'm actually pretty excited about this shade. Oh! Okay, that is beautiful. And then I'm going to go into a small brush and just define it a little bit. Yeah, that's beautiful. So I definitely think if you are a warm toned like fan, you're, I think, gonna really love this. I'm gonna go into a pencil brush into Sangria. Sangria, again, is not my favorite as far as textures go. I mean, it could definitely apply way better than it looks like it's going to. And yeah, that's beautiful. It has this like really pretty kind of pinky opalescence to it. Huh, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, I really like that. It's definitely a dryer formula like I like. I really like the wand, as you could see in my first impression. I threw on some of my Merit Lip Oil in Marrakesh. I think it's beautiful with this eye look. I'm blown away. 5 out of 5 yellow hearts this month. What did you think? Are we box twins? What do you wish you got in your box? I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. And then last, but certainly not least, is our St. Luxe Beauty Brow...